In today's fast-paced digital world, leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, has become a game changer for individuals looking to boost their income through side hustles. In this video, we will explore 5 AI-powered side hustles that have the potential to earn you $1,000 or more per month. These ventures not only offer practical opportunities but also tap into the high-earning capabilities of AI, making them lucrative options for financial growth. Overview of the 5 AI-powered side hustles. 1. AI-powered content creation. With AI tools like natural language processing and machine learning, individuals can generate high-quality content for websites, blogs, and social media platforms efficiently and effectively. Do AI-driven e-commerce optimization by utilizing AI algorithms for product recommendations, pricing strategies, and customer segmentation. Individuals can enhance their e-commerce businesses and boost sales. AI-powered stock trading. AI-powered trading bots analyze market trends and make data-driven decisions to optimize stock trading strategies, potentially leading to significant financial gains. 4. AI-based online tutoring. AI-powered tutoring platforms offer personalized learning experiences for students, allowing tutors to reach a broader audience and earn substantial income. 5. AI-enhanced social media management. AI tools for social media scheduling, content curation, and audience engagement can help individuals streamline their social media presence and attract more followers, leading to potential monetization opportunities. Earning potential with AI ventures. By harnessing the power of AI in these side hustles, individuals can unlock the potential to earn $1,000 or more per month. The scalability and efficiency offered by AI technologies enable individuals to maximize their earning potential and achieve financial growth in today's competitive digital landscape. AI-powered side hustle. 1. Virtual assistant services. Are you looking to earn over $1,000 per month through a flexible side hustle? Consider offering virtual assistant services powered by AI. By leveraging artificial intelligence tools, you can streamline tasks, enhance productivity, and attract clients seeking efficient support. Tasks automated by AI. AI can automate various administrative tasks such as email management, appointment scheduling, data entry, and social media management. Virtual assistants can utilize AI-powered tools like chatbots for customer inquiries, natural language processing for email responses, and machine learning algorithms for data analysis, freeing up time to focus on higher-value tasks. Marketing tips for virtual assistant services. To attract clients, create a professional website showcasing your services, testimonials, and pricing packages. Utilize social media platforms to promote your virtual assistant skills and engage with potential clients. Networking on platforms like LinkedIn and joining virtual assistant communities can also help you connect with businesses in need of support. Scalability for increased earnings. One of the key advantages of offering virtual assistant services powered by AI is scalability. As you gain more clients and streamline your processes with AI tools, you can take on additional tasks and expand your client base without being limited by time constraints. This scalability allows you to potentially increase your earnings significantly beyond the $1,000 per month mark. By combining the efficiency of AI automation with your virtual assistant skills, you can create a profitable side hustle that offers flexibility, growth potential, and the opportunity to exceed $1,000 in monthly income. AI-powered side hustle. 2. AI content creation. Looking to turn your passion for writing into a profitable side hustle? AI-driven content creation offers a lucrative opportunity to earn over $1,000 per month by leveraging artificial intelligence tools and platforms to produce high-quality content efficiently. Tools and platforms for AI content creation. AI content creation tools like GPT 3.5, Jasper, and Copy.ai utilize natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to generate engaging and informative content. Platforms such as ContentBot, WriteSonic, and Copysmith provide templates and prompts for various types of content, including articles, social media posts, and marketing copy. Efficiency and quality of AI-generated content. AI-generated content is not only efficient, but also of high quality. AI algorithms can analyze data, understand context, and generate coherent and engaging content that resonates with the target audience. By utilizing AI for content creation, individuals can save time on research and writing, allowing them to focus on creativity and strategy. Monetization strategies for AI-created content. To monetize AI-created content effectively, consider offering content writing services to businesses, bloggers, and digital marketers. Create packages based on word count, turnaround time, and additional services like SEO optimization and social media promotion. You can also explore opportunities to sell pre-written AI-generated content on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or your own website. By harnessing the power of AI for content creation, you can establish a successful side hustle that not only meets the demand for quality content, but also has the potential to exceed $1,000 in monthly earnings. AI-powered side hustle 3, algorithmic trading. Interested in exploring a side hustle that leverages AI technology to potentially generate significant monthly income? Algorithmic trading, powered by AI algorithms, offers a lucrative opportunity to optimize trading strategies, manage risks, and maximize profits in the financial markets. Basics of algorithmic trading and AI enhancement. Algorithmic trading involves using pre-programmed instructions to execute trading orders based on predefined criteria such as price, volume, or timing. AI enhances trading strategies by analyzing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and making data-driven decisions in real time. Machine learning algorithms can adapt to market conditions and optimize trading parameters for better performance. Risk management and profit maximization with AI trading. AI algorithms play a crucial role in risk management by implementing stop-loss orders, setting risk limits, and diversifying trading portfolios. By utilizing AI for trading, individuals can automate risk assessment processes, reduce emotional biases, and implement sophisticated risk management strategies to protect their investments. AI also helps in maximizing profits by identifying profitable trading opportunities, executing trades at optimal times, and adjusting strategies based on market trends. Potential returns and scalability of algorithmic trading. Algorithmic trading powered by AI offers the potential for significant returns due to its ability to analyze data faster and more accurately than human traders. As individuals gain experience and refine their AI trading strategies, the scalability of this side hustle increases, allowing them to manage larger trading volumes and potentially earn substantial monthly income through automated trading systems. By harnessing the power of AI and algorithmic trading, individuals can explore a rewarding side hustle that combines financial expertise with cutting-edge technology to achieve consistent profits and financial growth. AI-powered side hustle 4, chatbot development. Looking for a side hustle that combines technology and creativity while offering the potential to earn $1,000 or more per month? Developing AI-powered chatbots presents a lucrative opportunity to cater to the growing demand for automated customer service solutions across various industries. Demand for chatbots and their benefits. Chatbots are increasingly being adopted by businesses in industries such as e-commerce, healthcare, finance, and customer service to streamline communication, enhance user experience, and provide instant support to customers. Benefits of AI-powered chatbots include 24/7 availability, personalized interactions, efficient handling of inquiries, and cost savings for businesses by reducing the need for human customer service agents. Resources and tools for creating AI chatbots. To create AI chatbots, individuals can utilize platforms like Dialogflow, Chatfuel, ManyChat, or IBM Watson Assistant that offer user-friendly interfaces and AI capabilities for building and deploying chatbots. These tools provide templates, natural language processing features, and integration options with messaging platforms like Facebook Messenger and Slack. Marketing and pricing strategies for chatbot development services. To attract clients for chatbot development services, showcase your expertise through a professional portfolio highlighting successful chatbot projects and client testimonials. Utilize social media, industry forums, and networking events to promote your services to businesses seeking chatbot solutions. When pricing your services, consider factors such as the complexity of the chatbot, customization requirements, ongoing maintenance, and the value it brings to the client's business. By tapping into the demand for AI-powered chatbots and offering tailored solutions to businesses, individuals can establish a profitable side hustle that not only meets the needs of modern businesses, but also has the potential to exceed $1,000 in monthly earnings. AI-powered Side Hustle 5, Data Analysis Services, interested in a side hustle that leverages the power of AI to provide valuable insights and decision-making support to businesses. Offering data analysis services powered by AI can not only help businesses make informed decisions, but also lead to a monthly income exceeding $1,000 through your expertise in analyzing and interpreting data. Importance of data analysis in decision-making for businesses. Data analysis plays a crucial role in helping businesses understand trends, patterns, and customer behavior to make strategic decisions. By analyzing data effectively, businesses can optimize operations, improve marketing strategies, enhance customer experiences, and identify growth opportunities. AI-driven data analysis tools enable businesses to process large data sets efficiently and uncover actionable insights that drive business success. Tools and techniques for AI-driven data analysis. AI-powered data analysis tools such as Tableau, Power BI, Google Data Studio, and Python libraries like Pandas and NumPy enable individuals to perform advanced analytics, visualization, and predictive modeling on complex datasets. Machine learning algorithms can be utilized for clustering, classification, regression, and anomaly detection to extract valuable insights from data. Attracting clients and delivering valuable insights through data analysis services. To attract clients for data analysis services, showcase your expertise through case studies, data visualization samples, and testimonials that demonstrate the impact of your analysis on business outcomes. Utilize networking events, industry conferences, and online platforms to connect with businesses seeking data analysis solutions. When delivering insights, focus on providing actionable recommendations, visualizations, and clear explanations that help clients make data-driven decisions to achieve their business goals. By offering AI-powered data analysis services, individuals can position themselves as valuable partners to businesses seeking data-driven solutions, leading to a profitable side hustle with the potential to exceed $1,000 in monthly income. In this video, we've explored 5 AI-powered side hustles that have the potential to earn you $1,000 or more per month, showcasing practical opportunities to leverage AI for financial growth. It's time to take action and tap into the high-earning capabilities of AI to boost your income and expand your skill set in today's digital landscape. Recap of the 5 AI-powered side hustles and their income potential. Virtual assistant services. Offering AI-powered virtual assistant services can help you streamline tasks and earn over $1,000 per month. AI content creation. Utilizing AI tools for content creation can lead to a profitable side hustle with the potential to exceed $1,000 in monthly income. Algorithmic trading. Leveraging AI algorithms for trading strategies can generate significant monthly income through automated trading systems. Chatbot development. Developing AI-powered chatbots presents a lucrative opportunity to cater to the growing demand for automated customer service solutions. Data analysis services. Providing data analysis services powered by AI can lead to a monthly income exceeding $1,000 by delivering valuable insights to businesses. Benefits of incorporating AI into side hustle ventures. By incorporating AI into your side hustle ventures, you can enhance efficiency, scalability, and profitability. AI technologies enable you to automate tasks, optimize strategies, and deliver valuable solutions to clients, ultimately leading to financial growth and success in your side hustle endeavors. Subscribe to Extra Income Quest for more tips on leveraging AI for potential financial growth. Like and share this video with others who may benefit from exploring AI-powered side hustles. Stay tuned for related content to continue learning and expanding your opportunities in the world of AI-driven side hustles. Take the first step towards a more lucrative and fulfilling side hustle journey with AI at your side.